Delhi has more coronavirus cases than India, but unlike Trump, its leader seems ill, immune, immune, immune from criticism by vertical suit and nectar, Netizen CNN India is a crisis. Its economic has crashed with the larger slumper on the record, estimating making millions of their jobs. It's already fragile healthcare system of struggling with more than 5 million states in the ranks, only behind the United States for confirmed infections. But whereas whereas other populist leaders are feeling the political heat from their handling of the pandemic. U.S. President Donald Trump and his British counterpart Boris Johnson, for instance, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has largely escaped 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 the scathing headlines and crossing opulent poor that have big leaguers hit counterpart. Modi's landslide re-election for a second five-year term last year gave him a sweeping mandate to pass his Hindu nationalist agenda in a country where 80% of the population is Hindu. Azim Ali, researchers at the Delhi-based Center for Policy Research think tank said the Indian leaders were seen as a national messiah who is working on the grander agenda to reshape the Indian nation, and is not accountable for day-to-day government failures. Modi has staked out for himself the role of not just the political leader of India, but also is a social, moral, and spiritual wealth. Spiritual leader in the mode of Muhammad Gandhi Ali said. Over the past year, Modi has made steady headway on Hindu nationalist policies from revoking the autonomy of the Jammu and Kashmir India only Muslim majority state backing a controversial citizen law that critical say discriminates discriminates against Muslim, Muslims, but it weakens their aspiration to revitalize to the economics now 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 seem more distant than ever through the pandemic as it continues to the battle in the Indian economic analysts say it's unclear if the populist leader can be imagined political unscathed. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was spotted during his road for election campaign in the Bhubaneswar, India in the April 2019. In fact, compared with other world leaders like President Jair Bolsonaro, who downplayed the threat of the pandemic and dismissed the coronavirus as a little flu only to be infected later himself. Modi took the coronavirus seriously from the beginning and acted swiftly. Modi took the coronavirus seriously from the beginning and acted swiftly when he ordered a national nationwide lockout on March 24. The country of the 1.36 billion had reported just over 500 coronavirus cases and 10 deaths. You have seen how the most powerful nations have become helpless in the face of this pandemic. Modi said there in a televised arrest to the national as announced to the crowd, worrying that India could be set back decades. is the outbreak was not dealt with properly. There is no other to remain safe from coronavirus. We have to break the cycle of infection, he said. A man crosses a deserted major path in the New Delhi on March 24 and 10, March 24, 20 and 20. A man across desert by taking drastic action early, Modi reaffirmed image as decisive leader who is able to take strict politically tough measure for the sake of the country, said Ali. The researcher at the Center Policy Research. He is seen as a saintly figure who means well and always acts in the large national interest, said Ali. Indian public health experts, however, have different on their support the timing and the effectiveness of the lockdown. Ramalan, Ministry or senior research scholar at Princeton University, said it was essential because infections were increasing rapidly at the time, and that it happened it decreased disease transmission. Others, including virologists, virologists, Jacob John argued